there.
It's bad luck to eat that before Easter. Turn around.
Just so nervous.
Turn around.
No, I don't want no turn.
Turn around.
You're famous. The next challenge for Frosty from WA. We found LS motors yesterday. Now we need to find Willow. That is the next challenge. Let's do it. Willow! 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 Willow, we're up. Oh, Willow! We did it!
We found them!
Willow!
How you going, mate?
Good.
Congratulations on 350.
Thank you very much.
What's your engine combo?
The engine combo is a Willow billet block, which we manufacture. That's rotating mass is bottom end is Sunny Bryan from America, the top end is Marley from Germany. Heads have
Supertech?
Supertech,
Yeah.
Supertech springs.
Sweet.
And they're joint cams.
Oh,
272 cams, nothing sensational.
Yep.
So, because it's a multi-purpose car.
Yeah.
Makes, we don't really know.
It's hard to keep.
I know it's 850 kilowatts at the wheels, but it makes more than that.
Yeah, it's hard to really get an accurate figure with a car which makes this much sort of power.
We can't use front wheel drive on the dyno, just switch the front wheel drive plates straight away. So you can only rear wheel drive them with this sort of power.
Yep, amazing, mate. And what's it like streetability? What's it like just to drive down the road? Is it nice?
Yeah, it drives fine. A bit rough in the gearbox because of the clutch plates.
How hard they...
Yeah, but it drives fine.
Yeah, beautiful.
Not that we drive on the road ever.
No.
But it was purchased from Northside Nissan in
oh, really?
West Australia.
Oh, look at that.
It was bought here in the Danny Bahumas came to work for us after he left Western Australia. And he did the deal when we rode off the one private. So he did the deal, and it actually came from Western Australia. So it's a Western Australian car.
Fantastic. Doing WA proud. This is all us. It's got nothing to do with Willow.
That's correct.
No.
That's correct.
Alright guys, we've got Ned here from Reaper Performance. He's got an awesome Rodeo that I know nothing about, and yeah, let's check it out.
Can you take that?
Hey mate.
How are you, bud?
Yeah, good. So tell me a bit about the car. I don't know a lot about diesels, so and especially performance diesels, they're just next level. So yeah, tell us a bit about the car.
Pretty much 2009 Holden Colorado, single cab, full carbon fibre body panels, doors, the whole lot.
Carbon fibre.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ooh, that's awesome.
So help try and get some of the weight out of it.
Yep.
Still a pretty heavy car, so running the stock 3 litre turbo diesel. Still at this stage 100% factory engine, unopened.
So crank, rods,
pistons, head, the whole lot. Never been apart. Done about 150,000 Ks at this stage.
Wow.
Spent the last 2 years at just over 500 horsepower.
Wow.
Pumping 72 pounds of boost into it this weekend.
72?
72 pounds of boost.
That might be higher than a lot of anything.
Yeah, it's a lot of boost. Yeah, a lot of boost.
Ed's, I don't think Ed's even running that high boost.
No,
he said he brought all the boost.
Yeah, no, he didn't bring all the boost. Yeah, the turbo screams its tits off.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's quite a, if you have a look at this, guys, it's quite a, it's not a huge turbo, look. It's, my hands are,
heavy inside though.
Yeah.
A lot going on in there.
Yep. So like fuel-wise, how do you get enough fuel to this thing to make that sort of power?
We run a large in-tank lift pump, electronic, and then we have a very large common rail pump.
Right.
Which makes around 60,000 PSI, thereabouts, barrel pressure.
Wow, that's crazy.
Larger injectors, obviously. We run Motec this year.
Oh, Motec?
Yeah, so full standalone Motec runs the whole car.
Awesome. guys, Frosty from WA. We are down at the Racewars Super Sprint. The crowd is fantastic. You can hear the cars are going hard in the background. Let's go and check out some action. Do you know how hard it is to get the camera and pan it correctly? It's very difficult. That was mental! Woo! Yeah! Woo! No dogs beyond this point. What the hell are you doing down there? How you going, mate? You enjoying it?
Yeah, this is excellent fun.
Yeah.
Excellent